Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take the full page screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A73. To do this, you'll need to open a settings or any app that allows you to scroll down. It can also be any web page. Now hold the power key and volume down key at the same time, that way you'll make a screenshot. Now to turn it into the scrollable screenshot, click on this button right here, then click on it again, and keep clicking until you're satisfied with the amount of the screenshot. So it's full page right now, and we can click on the screenshot to save it, or edit it, or delete it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.